Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to cancel ChatGPT subscription. So all you have to do is go to your ChatGPT and then log into your account, tap your profile, scroll down and go to settings. Here, if you are currently subscribed to a plan on ChatGPT, you should see subscription button below and all you have to do is to tap that one. Now, once you tap subscription, you should see this manage button above and all you have to do is to tap on cancel subscription. You have to click that one and ChatGPT will ask you again if you really want to cancel your subscription. And to confirm, what you're going to do here is tap again, cancel subscription. So your subscription will be canceled, but you can just subscribe or you can upgrade your plan anytime. But basically, that's how easy it is to cancel ChatGPT subscription. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.